Hey there, Seahorse here. Here at Indomepool, we recently upgraded our filming equipment to include both an action camera from GoPro as well as a drone from DJI. This video is going to show both the unboxing and first flight of our new drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. As it is not formally for sale here in the US, we ended up purchasing it from outside the country. But there are plenty of drone enthusiasts online that will go into great detail on the perceived ban on this particular model drone and DJI in general, so I will leave those topics to them. What I will share with you is that it handles very well even in moderately windy conditions, and the resolution on the video is amazing. While my drone piloting skills are still entry level, the video quality is a game changer for our channel. Fortunately, we had a beautiful island sunset for our first flight, so even the fact that I have basically no idea what I'm doing, the video is still something to behold. As always, there's a funny little song to accompany the rest of the video. Come on, let's check out the first flight.
Had some precious time alone, so I spent it on my phone, deep in the online shopping zone. That's how ended up buying a drone. Seemed like a great idea at first. I mean, what could be the worst part of buying a drone? Turns out it was getting it home. Go get the newest version, selling out, so don't be late. Have to go get one on eBay. Not for sale in the United States. Wanted the best one for me, one that would work well and be easy to learn and to fly. I heard that would be one from DJI. Got certified and registered, charged at tutorials, powered on and then it stirred before taking it in flight. Pictorial. Go get the newest version, selling out, so don't be late. Have to go get one on eBay. Not for sale in the United States. Go get the newest version, selling out, so don't be late. Have to go get one on eBay. Not for sale in the United States.
If you enjoyed this video, a like, share, and subscribe go a long way to helping out a small channel like mine. Thanks for watching.
Go get the newest version, selling out, so don't be late. Have to go get one on eBay. Not for sale in the United States. Go get the newest version, selling out, so don't be late. Have to go get one on eBay. Not for